Now I will tell you how to make a copy of a plan. There are two different ways of copying a plan, but first of all I will tell you a simple one. Just highlight the project and then right click copy and then paste wherever you want to paste. I am going to paste in the same EPS. Yeah, copy project options, click OK. Then copy WBS options, OK. Then select the activity information to be copied, OK. And all the project with its attributes are copied here. After that you can rename this project, rename it, and this is the simple way in which you can. Now I'm going to tell you how to export the project and then import the project. When you export the project and then you import the project, it makes a copy of that project as well. So if you have another project, you have an XZR file in your computer, you can simply import that file. And if you want to send some of the some XZR file to client, contractor, anybody, so you can export this file. So for exporting, just go to the file and then select the export option. After that you have to select the version. Primavera, you have to select this option, Primavera PM XER. You are going to select here the version. Suppose the person to whom you are going to send have a not the latest version, he has the previous version, so you can select from here the previous version, so yeah, he can open that file. So right now I am going to select 18.8 version. Next, and here select the type of data to export. I am going to select the project. Next, and here the projects to export. So this is the project which is open and we are going to export. And now you have to give the its path where you want to copy this project. I'm going to put it on the desktop. Now you can see that export result, it is successful. When I will that file has been saved on the desktop, you can see this one. Now if you want to import this file, there are two options. Just double click on that, it will follow the same procedure, or otherwise go to the file and import. Next, project next, and here you have to select that requisite file which you are going to import. Then select, after selecting, click next button. Here if the project is already open, it will ask update the existing project. We are going to create a new project, then he will ask where to import that project. I am going to select the same EPS name, building construction. Then next, click next, finish. That file has been imported. We can see from the in the projects folder. Here you can see that the other file which we have imported right now is being shown with this tr01-2. Now I'm going to rename this file as a baseline project. Just edit and type baseline. After this, close all the projects.